AI is officially stepping into Hollywood, and this time it's not hype. We're talking about turning a single prompt or even one image into a full cinematic story with perfect consistency, character control, and scene to scene emotion. And today, I'm going to show you the tool that's changing the game, Higgsfield Popcorn. Some people are already calling it the Nano Banana Killer, but to me, it feels like the new gold standard for AI storytelling because for the first time ever, we're not generating random frames, we're building consistent cinematic stories just like Hollywood does. And the best part, you don't need a studio, you don't need a crew, you just need your imagination. And this tool, let's dive in. When you first open Higgsfield Popcorn, it feels less like a typical AI site and more like a creative playground. Everything about the interface screams aesthetic and power. From the color grading to the smooth transitions, you can tell this tool was built for storytellers, not just prompt engineers. Now, if you've ever tried to create long-form AI stories, you know the struggle. Inconsistent faces, broken poses, random lighting, every frame feels like it belongs to a different movie. But with Popcorn, that's over. It's like your ideas finally get their own cinematographer. When you land on the home page, you see two modes, auto mode and manual mode. Auto mode is where beginners can turn one image into a cinematic sequence effortlessly. Manual mode, that's where creators like us really shine. It lets you direct your story shot by shot, controlling how your characters evolve, what happens in each scene, and even how the lighting and mood shift over time. But today, we are going to use the auto mode. So, for my first story example, I wanted to test how real this tool could actually get. I uploaded a single image of a man and G gave it this prompt. A man receives a message that changes everything. As he waits for the last train out of the city, memories from his past begin to flash before his eyes. Love, regret, and one final choice. Now you can choose up to 8 results from just one image. Then you choose your aspect ratio. For this scene, I will use 9:16. Once you are done, hit generate. That's it, just one image. And what came next honestly felt like a movie trailer. Every shot looked connected, the lighting, the tone, the camera angle, all consistent, all cinematic. You could literally feel the story unfolding through the visuals. No broken faces, no random backgrounds, just a human moment told visually by AI. That's the power of Higgsfield Popcorn. But I didn't stop there. I wanted to see if it could handle something deeper, something that felt like a real film scene. So I uploaded 2 images, a man and a woman. You can upload up to 4 image references. How cool is that? Then I wrote, a detective and his partner follow the trail of a mysterious case through the neon-lit streets of the city. Rain falls, footsteps echo, their eyes meet as they realize they are being watched. This time I would choose 6 scenes and 16:9 ratio. I click generate, and the results look like frames straight out of a modern thriller, perfectly lit, full of emotion, and completely consistent. It felt alive, like a human story shot on film, except it was all AI. Beyond the visuals, the tool gives you full creative control. You can edit your scenes, refine your characters, animate your shots, and even upscale your results for ultra realistic quality. Want to change lighting, tone, or camera angles? You can do that too. Everything feels seamless and incredibly fast. So, if you've ever dreamed of telling cinematic stories, if you've ever wanted to turn your imagination into film, this is your moment. Because what Higgsfield Popcorn has built is more than a tool, it's a bridge between ideas and cinema, between creators and Hollywood. AI isn't replacing filmmakers, it's giving all of us the power to become one. So go ahead, click the link in the description. Try Higgsfield Popcorn and tell your story. Because right now, we're not just watching the future of AI, we're creating it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss my next deep dive into AI tools that are changing the world of storytelling.